Hello Yuvraj, how are you?
I am
Hap-
fine.
Happy
Thank you.
Independence Day.
Thank you. Happy. Right back to you.
So tell me about your day. What happened in your school? How did you celebrate your Independence Day in your school?
In our school, many students were absent, and 8 students were very bad with their health, and they go to their home and hospital.
So
And our school gave chocolates, trophies, etc. And we celebrate Independence Day in our orchard or Zibald hall.
okay Yuvraj, so who was the chief guest invited in your school?
And nobody was invited in our school as chief guest.
Okay Yuvraj, so tell me about your study, how it's going on.
It is going on good.
Okay, my also is going on good. Yuvraj, I have to ask you a question. May I?
Yes,
So who invented electricity?
Thomas.
Oh, it's correct. Thomas Andrew. Oh, it's correct. So, Yuvraj, which is your favorite subject and in which subject are you very weak?
My favorite subject is maths, and I am very weak in Hindi.
I have the opposite in that. I'm very good in Hindi and very weak in maths. So, Yuvraj, tell me about your school timings. That how you go and what is the school timing
The
of you?
school timing is 7:20, but our van come on 6:69, 6:60 or 6:55, and our school ends at 1:30.
Okay. So tell me about your tell me about your favorite color.
My favorite color is red.
Same, but I'm in the greenhouse. So in your school, you are in red house. So in red house, what do you call in school red house?
Mother Teresa's house.
In our school, I'm in greenhouse, and we call it Pragati house.
And our school Radhakrishna house is called greenhouse.
And in our school, red house is called Shakti house. So, Yuvraj, how many branches does your school has?
8 or 9.
Mine has 2, but
Nahin, in the whole world or in only India?
no, only Mathura side.
Mathura side we have 12, 13, 14. 14 exactly.
We have 2 branches. I think so. We have 2 branches according to me, and they're not small, but they're very big, and we have the same uniform in the same school
Our father has told us that there are 14 branches in Mathura.
of your school.
Only in Mathura. And in Kerala are there 40, 50.
What?
Because the Saint Teresa is started from Kerala only.
Acha. So
So can I ask question with you?
yeah.
What is the school timing of your school?
School timing is regularly 8 to 11:50 normally.
11:50.
And all special days like half day, we have 8 to 11:30.
On Saturday,
Saturday we have a holiday, and Saturday and Sunday.
the board day every Saturday you have.
Yeah,
holiday.
every Saturday.
Okay. So what is your most strong discipline in your school?
The most strongest discipline in our school, which every student follows, is the uniform. Like every girl ties their hair according to the ribbon color. Every boy cuts their hair not exceeding the forehead, like that.
So how many things you have broken in your home?
I have not broken, but I have damaged them by throwing it. And when I was very frustrated, है ना, when I was once I was very frustrated, so I took that glass, and it was a shisha mirror glass, and I threw it in the polythene and it broke. I was very frustrated at that time.
And how many gadgets you have used till now?
Till now, I have used no gadgets.
Any gadget, any electrical gadgets?
Electrical gadgets, you can say I've used electricity bulb. I can make a electricity bulb. Just I need a wires, a cell, and a bulb. Just a small bulb. That's why.
Okay. Have you played? Have you gone any hotel and you played game zone?
What?
Have you gone any hotel and played game zone?
Yeah,
In which hotel?
not hotel, but I went into a game zone, which is called a blue zone, in which we did bowling, archery, and that
Did
all.
you have? Did your family member have any hotel?
No.
My family member have 2 hotels. One in a snowy place. I do not know the name of the place, and one in Haridwar. And second in Haridwar. One is in near to Nainital.
Have you ever think that what if the sky is coming down and randomly we are all die and you are left in the world? What would you do? It's an imaginary question.
I will first take supercars and blast them.
Oh, bro.
And then I will be eat many chocolates, toffees.
But your teeth is very damaged. How?
So
Doctors?
there will be not any dentist, and I will be alone in the whole world.
Oh,
And I will drive the aeroplane, bullet train, and I will go to the futuristic country, Japan, and I will blast Japan with Parmadu.
Bro, just 1 a week ago, in 1945, a bomb was a nuclear bomb
Was
was
dropped in Japan.
Hiroshima, in Japan, Hiroshima by USA,
Yes.
1945.
That time USA was very near to Japan and another country. He was attacking by another country to Japan.
Yeah.
Okay. Till now, how many bets do you have got?
Beds means
Bets. How many bets do you have got till now, and how many bets you have broken?
like sleeping beds.
Bet.
Acha, bed. I have got two, like the wooden bat and 5-6 plastic bat.
I have got 10-20 plastic bet and 3 wooden.
So who is your favorite YouTuber?
My favorite YouTuber is Mr. Indian Hacker.
Oh, bro. Whenever I visit your house, I found you always seeing that Mr. Indian Hacker doing such experiments, damaging the country, bro.
Damaging BMW, damaging
Such a
damage 2 or 3 like such phones, and
I don't know,
he have made it his 30 own missiles. He has said to take them into Pakistan,
no, bro. He's going to blast Pakistan.
and they are very strong.
So
They compare and they such defeat Agni missile.
So
That
who is?
missiles.
What is your favorite game? Online game?
My favorite online game is Indian Theft Auto.
Oh, bro, that's
And Indian Theft Auto is on second. I have play mostly Roblox.
bro.
And
My
Roblox
favorite.
have 1 billion and 450 games. In it,
Oh, bro.
I have played amounts.
I have played BGMI, Free Fire, COD, Call of Duty, है ना?
You will be mad any day. You
है ना?
play this game.
You see me playing Deadshot every day, and that's all. Fighting games, just I play. FSP, shooting games, that's all.
I play action games. I do not like.
So
them.
what is your offline game?
My offline game is Snake and Ladders.
No, offline, which we play outdoor.
Outdoor. Outdoor is my मारे दूसरा चक्का वे लंबे दो जा Okay, so what blood group do you have?
My blood group is B positive.
And my plus is A plus positive.
And that's not A plus positive. It's
positive.
A positive. So let's talk about.
And my brother have negative.
Oh, bro, A negative. That's very rare. And my mother has minus B. Can B negative. So
And he
let's
has
talk
A
about
negative.
math. I have to ask you a question. So the question I'm going to speak it. The question is, what is minus 7y plus 2x plus 7f? And you have to from 7y plus 3x and minus 2. Tell me the answer.
I have never heard these type of question, and in our school, teacher, home, anybody is not teacher.
Bro, that's an algebra question, and we didn't study, but I got them understand it in 4th class only.
And this is not book and I only read books and book things. So, how many places you have visited with your parents?
I have visited many places. I have gone out of India also.
Where?
Around in Nepal, where I went for trekking
With whom?
with my parents and siblings.
Okay. In India, where have you gone?
In India, I have gone to Uttarakhand, Nainital, है ना, Vaishno Devi, Hyderabad, and Bangalore, and Rajasthan.
Bangalore तो डूब नहीं गया.
What? Bro,
Anyone talking, please?
Do not go Bangalore. I know, bro. You are my cousin.
so
And you are not good out of India also. I know.